Baltasar para sa rebound. One on the move, puts it up. Concepcion will finish at the cup. Tungkab in attack mode, goes to the corner. Concepcion kanina, alley-oop. Ngayon, tres naman.
Alam mo ito si Concepcion, mabibilip ka rin talaga.
Sumang for three. Ular will clean it up.
Pati yung kumpiyansa, kitang-kita mo, laglag ang balikat nito mga manlalaro ng Titan Ultra. And of course, there's also frustration dahil pwede silang tumira sa 3, pero 11 attempts.
Play of the half natin yan. Natin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Look away pass by Juanco.
He gets his rhythm going as Baltasar will go to Arana. The Justins connect.
Good enough para hindi matawagan ng 3 ang dalawang yan. So alam naman natin, maganda talaga yung kombinasyon ng dalawa.
Emergency pass to you. Tapunta kay Javillonar.
Uy!
Isa man si Baltasar.
Grabe, pinangga.
Sila yung back-to-back picks ni Arana, di ba?
Ayan yung sinasabi natin, Billionaire, may nama, bully basketball, Carl.
Yun o.
Nakita mo?
Final score, tambak na tambak. Pagdating ng Coms Cup, 103-82. That's an average of 29 points, yung average margin of victory ng Converge versus Titan so far.
This is something that you always want to see. Jalen Hudson trying to find an open teammate. At ito na nga, Mikey Williams for 3.
Sa kabila naman, Titan continues to shoot blanks. Arana tied up by Saonia. Nakawala, and one pa.
Kayang-kaya talaga pumunto sa ilalim. Hindi nagpapanik. Waistline, fall-away jumper by Arana. He will get his bonus free throw after this timeout. Kanina pa natin nababanggit yung kanyang miserable performance. Ngayon, madadagdagan.
One with a turnover.
Kita mo. Gagalit na naman yung coach.
Wait, that's a 6-0 run. Napapasagi naman ni Mikey Williams.
Even dun sa kanyang mga jump shots, alam naman natin, puhunan ni Mikey yung kanyang mga legs every time he tries to make a shot.
Kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi pa pwedeng kahit nasa Estados Unidos kang nagpipick up game. At kung nasa NBA ka, sige.
Yes, madali
Di ba
yung
yun?
adjustment mo ron.
NBA o kahit G-League, di ba? Pero yung pa-weekend tournament, hindi uubra yun. Mikey on the move.
Ito yung sinasabi natin. Oh, kita mo. Short pa rin pero alam niya na may kukuha ng offensive rebound sa kanyang kupunan
Di ba? Ito, tres na naman, malamang. Inigo. No,
Ayun,
sit down, no.
pasa naman pala kaya ipinasok dahil sa kanyang good eyes and vision.
Si Baltasar, 1 point pa lang so far this game. As Hudson! Bastos Jam! Dalawang puna naman ang abante ng Converge. May nakahigang naka-itim si Omega. Tatakbo na ang Converge.
Ito na naman sila.
Mikey makes it a 22-point game.
Napakaraming fast break points na naitala.
Si Javillonar. No look pass. Abueva to Baltasar. Back to the beast. Thought he was fouled. Threw it up. Made it anyway.